on the side of creek.
I can hear it buzzing. Look at Buddy. Still ain't going, huh?
We got the charger on 50, right?
Yeah, 50 amps, right? It says 50 amp starter, right there. First you had it on 10 amps, then you switched it to 2 amps. Now it's on 50. All right, make sure it's got a good connection. Oh, did you hear that? It tried. Okay, now it's not. Ah! And it's making noises again. My birdhouse is someone seemed to tip my birdhouse. I mean, I brought you that extension cord like you asked. There's my decorations, yeah. Oh, where's my other one? Christmas. Boy, I love Christmas. I remember this old TV. We'd have it in the house years and years ago. I don't know what we done with that other small TV, but I haven't seen that one in probably 4 years.
We need to go get that jump starter.
All right. I'll get it. It's in the gray shed. Yes, I did. Yeah, I changed my shoes. I can still smell that gas, too. It's not that cold. It's just chilly. Yes, all right. I got it. I got it. Oh, it's kind of heavy.
It is.
Yeah. Yeah, those were off the whole time. Flowers, what? There's Mama's play cane. I don't know if it's a play cane or not. See, look at that. She has another one too. I think it's a blue. Hey, baby.
In the red.
It's in the red.
See if we can lock this shed back up.
All right, yeah. Let's lock it up. Oh, it wasn't that hard this time. My code is? All right.
Right there in your mom's chair.
Yeah, I see it.
They brought out for you.
I've been filming this whole time. Because, why not?
Why make a video?
Because I can.
You need to zip it up so you can cover your chest up.
All right.
Good for you. Hook that door too so when he jumps up on it, it won't.
All right. Is it closed? Okay, it's closed. It still ain't going?
I didn't try it.
Oh, I thought you did.
You want to charge it off.
Yeah, let's like 30. Well, no, let's wait for like an hour.